to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel. We want to eat gas.
Today the kids are going to try some stuff out. What are you going to try? Let me see. What are those? They're Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks.
Popping candy. Okay. And what else are you going to try?
The slime.
A slime?
We're going to open that slime. And then let's open the slime. What color we get? I hope I get help me get
Yeah.
You want to eat paleta, payaso? You eat this. Paleta, payaso. It's going to be so fun, guys.
Yeah. Alright. So first, they're going to try the Pop Rocks. Let's see how they taste. Oh, a lot come in here. Okay, so let's just try one of each. Yeah?
I am going to try the pink. Mommy,
You wanna
give
try the
me
pink?
all of them.
You want to get all of them?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with all of them?
You know,
Ah, I opened some. Whoops. Sorry. Okay, here. I'm sorry, that was my bad. The scissors went too far. Okay, look how many come in here. They come a lot. Okay, here. Here's one that's already open. Okay. You gonna try it, Allison? I'm gonna choose.
want my open.
How does it taste? Which one do you want, Mano? The green or the pink? How does it taste? Huh?
Poppy.
It's poppy. Let me see. Let's see if we can hear it. You can hear it. Mano, you wanna try the green one? Yeah?
Me hear it.
Mano's gonna try the green one now. Go, Mano.
Poppy. But the poppy really tastes like sour.
It tastes sour?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Which one's better though, the green or the pink? Yours is better? Did you try the green one yet?
No.
Were you gonna try the green one?
The poppy can't stop.
The poppy doesn't stop. It keeps going, Mano? Let me see. I think are the ones that they tried aftershock. Popping candy. And are they good or not?
I eat all of them.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up? Thumbs up, Mano, or thumbs down? Up. All right. Down. Mano gave it a thumbs down. Allison gave it a thumbs up. Why, Mano? You don't like sour things? Yeah? So it's a thumbs up? All right. Verdict changed. Okay, so what's next? What are you going to open next? Let's see. You're supposed to mix water. So it's this one right here. And you mix water,
Mommy,
glitter, and
open my
powder, and then you
one.
shake it all up, and then you have a surprise. So let's see. So what comes in here is this cup, and then you get a mystery toy, and
Wait,
I
Mom,
guess
what
these little stickers, and
Mommy,
you get
where
some
did Mama
glitter,
go?
and you get some glitter, and this is, I guess, the slime right here. See that? Okay, that is Mano's. You got, I think, you got a mermaid. I'm not sure, but look. Okay, and Allison's is a pink one. And she also got, oh, she got a little poopy one. I don't know if you can see it right.
What? I want poopy.
And stickers. Oh, and Allison's slime is going to be pink, from what I can tell, or the glitter. And then Allison's glitter is silver. But I think they're going to want to switch it up. So while Mom is going to make the slime for them, they're going to try these. They're mini paleta payasos. And they are candy from Mexico. And they're really good. They sell them here too. But funny story is they never look like the clown. Look at that one. That one looks funny, right?
That was mine.
That one's yours? Okay, that one's yours. Or that one's Mano's. And now this one, look at this one. This one's a sad clown.
See.
Aww.
I want to have it.
You're gonna eat it? Alright, try it out, kids. Let me know how it tastes. What is your verdict on that one? Allison likes to eat all the gummies first, right, Allison? And you, Mano?
Mm-hmm.
What do you bite first? You bit his mouth first?
Yeah.
You too, Allison? So they're like a chocolate-covered marshmallow with gummies on it. And they're super good, right, Allie?
I wouldn't like it.
Yeah?
You know what our real name is?
What's your real name?
Manu, and I'm Allie's son.
Allie's son. Well, what do we call you, Allie?
Allie.
Tell the kids what we call you, though.
Allie's son.
No, what is my nickname for you? What do I call you all the time?
Allie!
Allie Wally. So she's Allie Wally and he's Mano.
And
Mano
I like
loves
his
Nightmare Before Christmas. That's why he's wearing a Jack shirt. Right, Mano? Show the kids your Jack shirt. That's his favorite movie. We had his birthday party. We watched the other videos of his Christmas cake with Jack. And he loved it. Right, Mano?
It was my show. My Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Yeah, Allison likes superheroes too. And so far, what I can tell, she likes Spider-Man. And which is your other favorite superhero, Allison?
Supergirl.
Supergirl, that's right. She watches the DC comic, the girl version. Alright, so these are kind of like poopsies. The cups and the way you have to make it. We have another video too of the poopsies, so if you want to go check that one out. So these, we gotta shake them the same way for 30 minutes, for 30 seconds, and then let them sit for 5 minutes.
Right up there. The poop.
Yep, right there. Bless you. So we'll be back after the slime is done. Yeah? Alright. It has been 5 minutes, so the slime should be ready. You're ready to test it out? Okay, open it up.
Wait, let's put the stickers on first.
Okay, you're gonna put the sticker on your cup first?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is Mano's decorated cup right here.
And I told mine, guys. Look, there's not anywhere.
So that looks cool. Alright, let's see Allie's. Well, Allie's tore a little bit. That's fine, right, Allison?
So I put the other one
Okay,
in.
so what y'all have to do is y'all may have to mix the rest of the slime with y'all spoons, okay?
So I got pink and I got blue.
Mix it up real good.
I think mine's done. It is done.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't want to grab all of that. Oh, I saw the flies. I see a lot of poopy comes out. Where's my mommy? Oh yeah, my mommy's right here. Guys,
Mano's hands got sticky, so he went to go wash his hands.
hey guys, you look?
Allison's is super. So we had made a video too about making slime, and it turned out a disaster.
Yes.
We have it somewhere in our. You can click on it. We have it in our channel.
But me and my brother make a mess.
Yes, y'all did make a huge mess,
But this
right,
time,
Mano? But this time it was easier because it was in a cup, so this isn't bad.
no, this is bad. I didn't like it. I wanted it in a plate. Mommy, I'm gonna go wash my hands when I'm done.
Okay, so what did y'all think about this slime? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Mano, thumbs up? Yeah? Thumbs down! Mano's just giving thumbs down to everything. Okay, alright. Say bye, guys!
No, bye guys. Guys, look. You got my mermaid.
Oh, Allison's gonna show you her mermaid.
Look.
Oh, hold on. Hold on, Mano. Hold on. Let Allison show hers. Alright, that's a cute mermaid. Alright, Mano, what did you get? Let's see. It's too bright. It's a poop. It's a poop king.
Look. My thoughts.
Your farts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not coming. It's just like mine must towards it. Mine must. My brother. Ew. Mine must guarding.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, alright. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Alright.
Go back in our slime channel, other one, and our cookies. But both of the three slime
don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and don't forget there's one more video hiding.
Yeah, there's a video right there. Okay.
And my cousin would want it.
Oh yeah, and follow VC Toys to learn how to make a forky.
Yeah.
That's amazing, right? It's a great channel. So follow it, guys. Subscribe to ours and subscribe to VC and Toys. There'll be a link in the description box. Thanks,
And
guys.
my brother got one, he got 2 gifts.
Yeah. But don't tell them what happens in the video. But okay. All right. Bye, guys.